Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Subject Mathematics, Board CBSE, topic Some application of trigonometry, standard 10th. Exercise 9.1, question number 10. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of the road which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. What they discussed in the question, two poles both are having the same height. So, this is one pole, you have to label it MA. This is another pole TH. The distance between the foot of the pole is 80 meter. How I said this? Here given as or standing opposite each other on either side of the road which is 80 meter wide, right? So, the distance between the foot of the pole A to H, that is 80 meter, right? This is the road, width of the road. Now, one point is located between the poles. It may be here or here, that is your wish. Yes, that should be labeled as yes. Now, what they said, the angles of elevation of the top of the pole, that means you are going to stand here and you are going to view the object, right? View means top of, you are going to see the top of the pole. One pole, that is M, top of the pole, another pole, that is top as T. They said angle is 60 degree, another angle is 30 degree. Then the total distance is 80. The total distance is 80. This one I am going to consider as X. This one I am going to consider as X. That means what is the position of SH? The total is 80. So it becomes 80 minus X. The total distance is 80. This is X. You have to remove from that the rest of the thing. 80 minus X as HS. Right? They are asking to find out what is MA and what is AS and what is HS. That the thing they are asking in the question. Height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. Got it, children? Now, in triangle MAS, angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle A equal to 90 degree. Tan 60 degree equal to MA divided by AS. MA divided by AS. What is tan 60 degree? You know very well. Right. Root 3 equal to AB divided by AS. AB divided by AS. AS what we consider here, children? X. So, AB divided by X. AB divided by X. Now, what is AB? AB equal to root 3x. That is equation number 1. Now, you pass on to the next triangle, that is THS. In triangle THS, angle H equal to 90 degree. Here what they mention as angle? 30 degree. So, tan 30 degree equal to TH divided by SH. TH equal to MA. Will you agree or not? Why? Because it is given that two poles of equal height. So, TH can be replaced by what? MA. Right? Sorry children, here MA I didn't take AB, no. I took only MA. MA equal to root 3x. Here TH is equivalent to what? MA. So 1 by root 3 equal to MA divided by SH, what I took? 80 minus x. 80 minus x. Now what is MA you got in the first equation, that you are going to substitute in the second, right? This is your second equation. Here if you want, you write since MA equal to TH, because it is given that the two poles are equal height, right? Now MA can be replaced by what? Root 3x. Substitute 1 into 1 by root 3 equal to root 3x divided by 80 minus x. Now you cross multiply. 80 minus x equal to root 3 into root 3, 3x. Shift x to this side, you will get it as 4x equal to 80, x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 meter. That means from the point to this foot of the pole is 20 meter, right? AS equal to 20 meter. What is the position of SH? SH equal to 80 minus 20 equal to 60 meter. Got it? You got the result as the distance of the point from the pole, right? The distance of the point from the pole. One pole, the distance between the one pole to the point is 20. Another pole to the point is 60. We want to find height of the pole. What we got x? Children, what we got it as x? X is equal to 20 meter. X is equal to 20 meter. That means what is your MA? MA is the height of the pole, right? MA is the height of the pole. X is equal to 20 meter. So MA equal to root 3 into 20, which is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Height of the pole equal to poles. Height of the pole equal to poles only. So 20 root 3 meter. Height of the poles equal to 20 root 3 meter. The distance of the point from the poles are distance of the point from the poles are (20 meter and 60 meter respectively. Got it, children? Two poles, one is MA, another one is TH. Angle is 60 degree, 30 degree. Then you took a triangle MAS, angle A equal to 90 degree, tan 60 equal to opposite by adjacent. The AX we consider as X. So tan 60 equal to MA by AS, that is MA by X, MA equal to root 3x. Now we pass on to the next triangle THS, angle H equal to 90 degree, tan 30 equal to 2H divided by SH. Here MA equal to TH I mentioned because in the question they said two poles are having equal height. That's why TH can be replaced by MA. Then MA should be replaced by root 3x, what we have found already, that you are going to substitute here. Then you arrived x is equal to 20 meter. AS equal to 20, then SH equal to 60. The distance between the point to the pole, first pole is 20 and the second pole is 60. Then height of the pole MA equal to root 3 into 20. that is 20 root 3 meter. Height of the pole is 20 root 3 meter. The distance between the distance of the point from the pole is 20 and 60. Question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal, right? This is our TV tower. From a point on the other bank, directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is directly opposite to this, right? Angle of elevation is what they mention, 60 degree, right? You have to connect the top of the, foot of the TV tower and the point, that is 60 degree. This is our TV tower, right? Then what it is given, you see, from another point 20 meter away from this point away 20 meter, another point, right? What is the distance between O and I? They mention 20 meter. Got it? 20 meter away from this point on the line joining the point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree, right? This is 30 degree. They are asking to find the height of the tower and the width of the canal, right? In triangle TRI, angle R equal to 90 degree, angle R equal to 90 degree, TR, that is tan 60 degree, equal to TR divided by RO, TR divided by RI. We are taking a triangle TRI. Angle is 60. So, tan 60 equal to TR divided by RI. Next, that is equation number 1. Root 3, let it be. Root 3 equal to TR divided by RI. That is equation number 1. Now you pass on to the next triangle TRO. In triangle TRO, tan 30 degree equal to TR, that is opposite, divided by adjacent OR, right? TR divided by OR. OR is what? OI plus IR. OR is what? OI plus IR. 1 by root 3 equal to TR divided by OI plus IR is equal to OR. OI plus IR, that is equal to OR. OI it is given as 20. So, 20 plus IR 1 by root 3, that is equation number 2. Now, you see what is TR here? TR is nothing but RI root 3. TR is nothing but RI root 3, that we can substitute here, right? Substitute 1 in 2. 1 by root 3 equal to TR is nothing but what I said, root 3 into RI. Root 3 into RI divided by 20 plus IR. 20 plus IR. Now you have to cross multiply. 3RI equal to 20 plus IR. Now 2RI equal to 20. The IR you shift to this side, minus IR. 3RI minus 1RI or IR. Whatever it is, it's correct only, right? RI or IR. So RI equal to 20. The width of the canal is what? 10 meter. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Width of the canal is 10 meter, right? Width, therefore, width of the canal equal to 10 meter. Then one more thing they are asking to find, that is height of the tower. What is RI we got? RI equal to 10. Then you have to substitute RI equal to 10 in 1. Then TR divided by 10 equal to root 3. TR equal to 10 root 3 meter. Therefore, height of the tower equal to 10 root 3 meter. Height of the tower also we got it as 10 root 3. They ask what is the width of the canal. Width of the canal is 10 meter. Question number 12. From the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower, right? See here, this is our building. Then what they mentioned? Cable tower. This is our tower, right? Now, building, cable tower. The building height is 7 meter. Building height is 7 meter. From the top of the building, you are seeing the top of the tower, right? You have to draw the horizontal line which is perpendicular to TR, that is Y. Now you have to connect, right? From M to T, they mentioned as what? 60 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degree. Then and the angle of depression of its, depression means you are going to view the object downward, that to foot is 45 degree. 45 degree. What they mentioned here, this is 60 degree, this is 45 degree. Then you connect the foot of the building as well as the foot of the tower, right? This is 45. These two M, Y and E are parallel. M R act as a transversal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Now we are going to take MTY triangle as well as MER triangle. What they are asking to find? Height of the tower. Height of the tower is TR, right? First, in triangle MER angle E equal to 90 degree. E equal to 90 degree. One thing you have to listen, children. M, Y, R, E. It looks like a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. That means what is the position of YR? YR is also 7m. That is 7 meter. Got it? Now, tan 45 degree equal to opposite by adjacent. ME divided by ER. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1 ME divided by ER, which implies ME equal to ER. ME equal to ER. ME is what? 7 meter is given. That means what is the position of ER? ER is also 7. ER is also 7. Okay, ER is 7 means what is the position of MY? MY is also 7. MY equal to 7 meter. YR equal to 7 meter. Got it? Opposite sides are equal. Now it looks like a square. M, Y, R, E. It looks like a square. Got it, children? Everything we got. Now we'll pass on to the next triangle. In triangle MTY, angle Y equal to 90 degree. Angle Y equal to 90 degree. Then tan 60 equal to TY, that is opposite, divided by adjacent MY. What is MY we got? MY equal to 7 meter. Tan 60 value is what? Root 3. Root 3 equal to TY divided by MY. Then MY value we got it as 7. So TY equal to 7 root 3 meter. 7 root 3 meter. They are asking to find height of the tower. Height of the tower equal to height of the tower equal to TY plus YR. TY plus YR. What is TY? 7 root 3. What is YR? 7. Which is common? 7 is common. Root 3 plus 1 meter. The height of the tower is root 3, 7 times root 3 plus 1 meter. Got it, children? This is our tower. This is the building. From the top of the building, you are viewing the top of the tower as well as the bottom of the tower. Then you apply right triangle concept. Then you took the trigonometry function as tan. Tan 45 equal to ME by ER. Opposite sides are equal. So ER equal to 7 meter. Then MY is also 7. How come you say MY equal to 7? ER, opposite sides are equal. That's why MY equal to 7. Then pass on to the next triangle MTY. Angle Y equal to 90 degree. Tan 60 equal to opposite by adjacent. That adjacent value is 7. So TY equal to 7 root 3. Height of the tower equal to TY plus YR, which is equal to 7 root 3 plus 7. 7 is common, root 3 plus 1 meter. Height of the tower equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Got it, children? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.